Thanks for joining me this evening. So this is a short winding down practice that you can do from your bed, or you can do it from your favorite chair or your couch. I'll be sitting on a cushion just to elevate my hips a little bit and release any tension I may be having in my hips or low back from today. So allow your hands and arms to relax in a position that's comfortable for you. And maybe just look down towards your nose and mouth, or close your eyes. And start to follow your breath, letting go of today. Right? Do your best to just let go of your thoughts, your worries, your fears, just for a few moments. There's no need to take them into your dreams with you. And just begin to follow your breath as our practice coordinates our movement and our breath together. Feel free to keep your eyelids closed or flutter them open at any time. With your inhale, allow your heart to go forward. As you exhale, allow your heart to lean to one side and back, and then to the other side, making slow circles. Slow circles one way, stirring your spine. Pause when you're at the center, and then reverse the other way. And you can go as fast or as slow as you like. And just notice how your breath can continue to flow with your attention. Pausing when you're even and at the center, and then find when your spine is upright. Inhale your arms out and up over your head. With your exhale, allow one hand to melt down towards the floor. The opposite hand reaches over to your side. With your exhale, curl forward slightly, round through the back, and keep your hips anchored so you don't fall over. Inhale, open your heart up towards the sky. And exhale, bring your body upright. Inhale, reach your arm up and over to the opposite side, anchoring the hip down into the floor. With your exhale, curl forward slightly, round through the back. Inhale, open your heart towards the sky. And exhale up to center. And inhale, over to the side once again. Exhale, curl forward, lengthen your low back. The space between your rib and hip, your quadratus lumborum. Inhale, open your heart towards the sky. And exhale, come up to center. Last time to the opposite side, and inhale to bend to the side. Exhale to curl. Inhale, open your heart. And exhale, coming up. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down slightly. And this time, as you inhale, open your hands out, your whole arms and hands out, as if you're opening your heart forward with your fingertips extending towards the wall behind you. And if you flex your hands gently but fully, you'll find that you may feel the fascial lines through your fingers and hands palms, opening of the tissues through your wrists, forearms, biceps, and collarbone. As you exhale, Gently allow one arm to wrap on top of the other, giving yourself a big hug, maybe even placing the hands onto your shoulder blades. As you exhale, round through your spine. Tuck your chin in. And pausing here for a few breaths, allowing yourself to give yourself an honest hug. Your next inhale, lift your spine, lift your chin, open your arms fully to the world. Spread your fingers out, reach them behind you. Invite the fascial lines, the tissues in your hands, wrists, forearms, biceps and chest to stretch and open. As you exhale, wrap the opposite arm on top, cross at the elbows, and then reach towards your shoulder blades. With your exhale, gently round through your spine, chin comes towards your chest. Pause here for a few breaths, give yourself a hug. Maybe inhaling, filling yourself with some love that you need to fill your cells and tissues and organs. And exhaling anything you don't want to take with you through into your dreams. With your next inhale, allow your spine to lift, chin to lift. Open the arms wide for an inhale. And exhale, release your arms onto your lap or wherever feels comfortable for you. And you can allow your hands, palms to stay resting where they are, or you can allow them to float to your heart space. Or maybe you'd like to bring both sides, right and left, together, with your hands, palms together, joined at your heart space. If your eyes aren't already closed, feel free to flutter them closed or soften your gaze. And sealing our practice with some gratitude. So feel free to insert your own gratitude practice here, or you can follow along with mine. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my health and the health of my loved ones. I am grateful for the opportunities today has brought me. And I am grateful for the opportunities tomorrow brings. I choose to see the light in myself. I choose to see the light in others, and I choose to see the light in the world. Feel free to stay with your gratitude affirmations as long as you'd like. I appreciate you for joining me. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.